Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the MSI MAG275F 27-inch Full HD gaming monitor, a display focused on smooth performance and vibrant visuals. This 27-inch rapid IPS panel delivers sharp 1920 by 1080 resolution with punchy colors and wide viewing angles, making it great for gaming, streaming, or everyday tasks. The visuals stay consistent and lively, whether you're exploring dark game environments or watching high-energy content. Performance is where this monitor really shines. With a 180 Hz refresh rate and a fast 0.5 milliseconds response time, motion feels fluid and responsive. Fast-paced shooters and racing games benefit the most, giving you clearer movement and less blur during intense moments. The smooth frame delivery helps maintain immersion and precision when timing matters. The slim, near-frameless design keeps distractions to a minimum and works well in multi-monitor setups. It's also console-friendly, supporting high refresh rates for compatible systems, making it a versatile option for both PC and console gamers. One thing to consider is that it's a 1080p display, so if you're specifically looking for 4K resolution, this isn't aimed at that crowd. However, for high refresh performance at Full HD, it offers strong value. Overall, the MSI MAG275F is a solid choice for gamers who prioritize speed and smooth gameplay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.